You're looking at a 2022 Toyota Rav4 Adventure all-wheel drive. It is a one-owner vehicle with remaining factory warranty. The interior and exterior are clean. It runs and drives smooth and quiet. The tires are in good shape. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 203 horsepower at 6,600 RPM and 184 pound-foot of torque at 5,000 RPM. 8-speed automatic transmission, 37.4 turning diameter. Features include Adventure Package, which includes dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, hill start assist, increased ground clearance, unique design elements like fender flares, larger roof rails, and aggressive styling cues, and enhanced towing capacity. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, backup camera, Softex synthetic leather seating with heated front seats, dual-zone climate control with rear air vents, power adjustable driver's seat, power windows, locks and side mirrors, star safety system with 8 airbags, with a comprehensive safety suite, good fuel economy, and the ability to handle off-road adventuring. This SUV is perfect for the Montana roads. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.